Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please do subscribe to my channel, I beg you, so that you can become part of the Double A gang. And if you are coming back, that means you are a member of the Double A gang. And Mina, I love you, I appreciate you so much. Thank you so much for coming back. Bye. So guys, I've not been feeling well like for the past week, which is why my voice sounds like this. If you does it, then you can hear the difference, but I'm feeling so much better today, which is why I decided to get up and film this video for you guys, and I hope you enjoy. So today I'm gonna be reviewing Scarlet Hill for you guys. Scarlet Hill is makeup from Mr. Price. If you didn't know, they now have makeup. I think they launched last year. Yeah, last year. So now they have makeup at Mr. Price, and it goes by the name of Scarlet Hill. And I got a few products from there. It's not a lot of products, it's just an eyeshadow and contour and glow palette. So I'll be creating this look using their products, and also at the end of the video I'm gonna give you guys a review, my thoughts about the products and all of that. So if you're interested to see, then please keep on watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video and leave a comment in the comment section down below, you know, as long as I'm doing it right. So yeah, let's get straight into the video. Hey guys, so I've already done my eyebrows and I've already concealed my eyelids, as you can see. So now we're just gonna move straight to the eyeshadow part, and today we are using the nude eyeshadow palette from Scarlet Hill. So yeah, firstly I'm just gonna start by this color here as my transition color. So I'm just gonna put it here. Bafana, yizapha xa uzondivalela ifestile. And then the next step, I'm gonna use this concealer from LA Girl in the shade Creamy Beige, just to cut my crease. And then the next eyeshadow I'm gonna use is this shimmery shade over here, and I'm just gonna put it at the beginning of my eyelid, like here. And then after that I'm gonna use that same shade that I used as my transition color, and I'm just gonna put it in the middle of my eye, like there. And then to close off my cut crease, I'm gonna use this shade, this deep brown shade over here, and just put it on my corners, on my outer corners, like that, like that, like that. I just stuck on my lashes, and now I'm gonna prime my face using this Wet n Wild hydrating primer. I love this primer, guys. So I'm just this primer is very hydrating, guys. So if you're someone with dry skin, please make sure you do try it out, and you won't regret it. Trust me, trust me. Okay. And then moving on to contouring, I'm gonna use this contouring and glow palette from Scarlet. So this is how it looks on the inside. As you can see, I've already used this too, so I'm just gonna take this shade over here, this brown shade, and contour my face. To set my face, I'm using the Wet n Wild Natural Finish Setting Spray. Alright guys, so I am done with my makeup, as you can see. So this is what we came out with. This is the look. I love it. Please let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Let me know if you love the look or not. That means now we're gonna move straight to the review. So as you saw, I have these products over here. I also have this one which I didn't use. So it's the contour and glow palette and the eyeshadow palette in the shade nude. So sizoqala nge-eyeshadow. This is how the eyeshadow looks, as you saw. So what can I say about the eyeshadow? I love the pigment. I love the colors. Okay, obviously from this particular eyeshadow, and the pigment is also amazing. The shimmery colors, the pigment is also amazing over there. And to rate it out of 10, I would give this a 7 out of 10, just because you have to keep going back to get the pigment, like the pigment that you want. Otherwise it's not bad. I love it. So 7 out of 10 here. I highly recommend. And then now moving on to this product over here, the Contour and Glow palette. Guys, this product is amazing. I've had reviews before I tried it out. Like, okay, is always talking about this Contour and Glow palette, guys, and and she's not lying. I love it, guys. I highly recommend, and I would give this. Okay, let me show you how it looks, although you saw. So over here you have the contouring part, and then these are the bronzers or the highlighters. So this is how it looks, and guys, I would give this 10 out of 10. One of the best contour palettes I've ever used. Like, I love it, and it was 80 rands, like I saw, like, which means it's very affordable. And guys, okay, mantul, I love it. 10 out of 10. Highly recommend this product. And I also have the lipstick. I didn't use the lipstick kule video, but I've used it before, and what can I say? How much was this? I think this was 40 rands. Yeah, this was 40 rands. It's just a good lipstick, like nothing special about it. And yeah, that's all I have for you today. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. And if you have any comments, any suggestion, any video ideas that you would like to see on my channel, then please, guys, let me know in the comment section down below. And don't forget to like this video, give it a big thumbs up, and share with your friends. And now, if you're still watching up until here, darling, my love, then please don't be shy to just take a screenshot of this video and tag me on your Instagram stories. I would really love to repost that. And yeah, that's all I have for you today. What else? I hope I'm not forgetting anything, and I will see you guys on my next video. Keep well. I love you so much, and God bless.